Very good morning 10th class students. I am Jagdish from Kakatiya High School. So we completed our quadratic equation chapter. So today I am going to take one new chapter, that is nothing but mensuration. Very important topic. A solid is a geometrical shape with 3 dimensions. It means I am taking 3D figures. A solid is a geometrical shape with 3 dimensions, namely known as length and breadth and height. A solid has 2 types of area. One is lateral surface area. Short name we can write as LSA, lateral surface area. To find the lateral surface area of a solid, perimeter of the base into height. Next to total surface area. Total surface area. In short name we can write as TSA. To find the total surface area of a solid, lateral surface area plus 2 into area of base. So solids have 2 types of areas. One is lateral surfaces and one is total surfaces. Here first I am taking cube. Base of the cube is square. In cube, length and breadth and height, all 3 are equal. I am taking this as A units. In cube, the length and breadth and height, all 3 are equal. So now I need lateral surfaces area of cube. Lateral surfaces area of cube. What is the formula to find lateral surface area? Perimeter of base into height. To find the lateral surfaces area of a figure, perimeter of the base into height. Here I need lateral surfaces area of the cube. Perimeter of the base means the base of the cube is nothing but square. So perimeter of the base means perimeter of the square. 4a into a is equal to 4a square. Similarly, I need total surfaces area of cube. Total surfaces area of cube. To find the total surface area, what is the formula? Lateral surfaces area plus 2 into area of base. 2 into area of base. It means 4a square plus 2 into a square is equal to 6a square. To find the total surface area of the cube, what is the formula? 6a square. Next, value is equal to a cube. So second I am going to take one cuboid. The base of the cuboid is nothing but rectangle. Base of the cuboid is rectangle. Here, this is length, and this one is breadth, and this one is height. First of all, I need lateral surfaces area of cuboid. To find the lateral surfaces area of the cuboid, what is the formula? 2h of L plus B. To find the lateral surface area of the cuboid, 2h of L plus B. Similarly, total surfaces area of cuboid, 2/2 LB plus BH plus LH. Next, volume of cuboid is equal LBH. So these are the formulas about cuboid. So next I am going to take cylinder. Here, base of cylinder is a circle. So base of the cylinder is circle. Then what are the dimensions of the cylinder? Radius. Radius is equal to r. Next, this one is height. H. So, for example, here in cylinder, area base. In cylinder, area of the base means what is the shape of the base? Circle. Area of the base means area of circle. Area of base means area of circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. Next I need lateral surfaces area of cylinder is equal. What is the formula? 2 pi r h. To find the lateral surface area of cylinder, what is the formula? 2 pi r h. Next, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Total surface area of the cylinder formula 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Next, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Next, cone. Base of the cone is equal to base of the cone is equal to circle. See, this is the base radius and this is the height of the cone. This one is called slant height. We can indicate with L. So in cone, base radius and height of the cone. Next, slant height. Slant height indicates with L. So clearly observe here. A, O, B. Here one right angle triangle is formed. Right angle at O. So if we observe the cone, here A, O, B is a right angle triangle. Why? Because OB is a base and OA is a altitude and AB is a hypotenuse. In triangle OAB, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So by using Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, square of the one side is equal to sum of the squares of the another two sides. So by using that, what we can write here? AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Next, curved surfaces area of cone. What is the formula? Pi RL. To find the curved surfaces area of cone. What is the formula? Pi RL. Next, total surfaces area of cone is equal to pi r bracket L plus r. Next, volume of cone is equal to pi r square h by 3. So next I am going to explain about sphere. So I am taking radius of the sphere r. So first of all, surface area. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Similarly, volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Next, hemisphere. Curved surfaces area of hemisphere 2 pi r square. Next, total surface area. So including area of this one, 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Why? Because here one circle is formed. If we calculate total surface area of hemisphere, this area we have to take as a count. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square how much? 3 pi r square. And volume of sphere is equal 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the very important formulas to 10th chapter. Listen well, read well and practice well. So tomorrow what is the homework here? Homework. Write each. So write the formulas 3 times. So tomorrow these formulas 3 times homework. Compulsory you have to learn.